What?
I think it's space.
Exactly! High five, everyone!
There was only one way back. I will take you on a journey through time and space with my friends and uncover the mysteries of the
Awesome and all,
universe.
but we have to get back.
Are you ready?
Well,
We don't have a choice, do we?
No, you don't. So let's go. There are two theories that you must never believe. The first one, of course, is the flat earth theory. The first time there was a belief of a round earth was found in 6th century BC in ancient Greece philosophy, made by Pythagoras, a mathematician and scientist. He was a great man. It was still just speculation until 300 BC. But when people started to travel a lot more, they saw the sun. It looked like it was right in front of them. It looked like if you go towards it, you will fall into the abyss and die. They have believed that theory ever since until one day a man named Ferdinand Magellan and Juan Sebastian Elcano sailed around the earth, but ended up in the same exact place. The reason why they sailed was because they wanted to trade with other countries, in this case, Philippines. The expedition was from 1519 to 1522. Unfortunately, Magellan died halfway through the expedition.
All around me are familiar faces.
And it had to be carried on by Juan Sebastian Elcano.
Wow, so the flat earth theory isn't real?
Oh my god.
Oh my OMG. We're gonna be billionaires. Spirit? I think it was Lizus. Yes, Lizus. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We're gonna be billionaires.
A few moments later.
Where have you been? To the Northern Trail.
Oh. Well, do you know about the flat earth theory?
Oh yeah, I learned so much. So what's the next theory? Spirit?
The other theory is the expanding earth theory. It was a great theory. It actually looks like the earth is growing every second. People thought the earth was growing because a long time ago, the world was all one colossal island. All continents combined in one called the supercontinent. Suddenly, they separated into 2 islands, then 4, then 5. To this day, land is still breaking apart. The seafloor seemed to change. Before it was hard and thick. Now it's the opposite of that, thin and breakable. This theory was created in 1834 by Charles Darwin. He was a great man. Sometimes great men can make mistakes. And Charles Lyell. People thought this theory was true because there were 3 reasons why. Earth's mass has remained constant, and thus gravitational pull at the surface has decreased over time. Earth's mass has grown with the volume in such a way that the surface gravity has remained constant. And number 3, Earth's gravity at its surface has increased over time, in line with its hypothesized growing mass and volume. This theory was proven false in 1970 by the scientific consensus. Because the Earth's massive volume did not change, gravitational force stayed the same, and nothing has changed other than the separation of the supercontinent.
The second one.
Those theories aren't real? We are going... Rio? He's falling into the abyss. He'll be fine. Anyways, those theories aren't real. What is next on our journey? We're going to be the smartest people in the world when we get back. Amazing!
Learn about today in your journey is about people. One person. He was a famous physicist, astronomer. engineer, philosopher, and mathematician. All of this was in one person. He found Callisto, Ganymede, Europa, Io, and the rings of Saturn. This man is named Galileo Galilei. Yes, he was an amazing man. He was born in Pisa, Italy, but he unfortunately died at age 78. He was so young, such a good man. He was inspired to make the telescope and making it the improved version of the spyglass. He found out that the moon was bumpy and had craters. He found the 4 moons of Jupiter. He studied the sunspots, learned about Venus and Saturn, and almost all the planets in the solar system. This man is amazing. Galileo Galilei, you shall stay in our hearts.
A solar system is a group of planets orbiting a star. There are many solar systems in a galaxy sometimes. Light years away, and the universe is kinda everything.
Now, younglings, we shall be learning about the sizes of the planets in the solar system. The first one, of course, we all know, Mercury. It is 2,440 kilometers and aka 1,516 miles. That's the size of Mercury. Pretty big if you ask me. Hey, hey. It is actually 38% the size of the Earth, and it's the closest planet to the sun. It must be burning hot there. The second planet is right beside Earth and Mercury. Drum roll, please. It is Venus. Venus is 6,052 kilometers long, aka 3,761 miles, almost double Mercury. It is 95% the size of Earth, even bigger. It must be burning there again. Ah! Wait, I'm sorry, it's recording. Okay. Anyways, the third planet in the solar system, the one we all know and love, the one that we live in right now, it's Earth! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, anyways, Earth is 6,371 kilometers, aka 3,959 miles. Don't forget, it's the planet we live in. Be thankful to Earth, people.
Mars. Finally, Mars. My favorite planet. It is 3,390 kilometers, aka 2,460 miles. Man, that's so small. 53% of the size of Earth. Oh my God. And then, in 50 or 150 or more, there's aliens invading. We all know that Mars is the worst planet.
Reasons, what you talking about, Reasons?
Nothing. Fifth planet. You know what it is? It's smaller than my head. It's called Jupiter. 69,911 kilometers. Ka 43,441 miles. Oh my God, it's big. It's 1,120% the size of Earth. So the sixth planet. I have some jokes next. It's 58,232 kilometers, aka 36,184 miles. It is 945% of the size of Earth. Oh my God. At least it's smaller than my eyes. The only planet with a ring in the solar system. And you know why? Because the God likes it.
Reasons, need to work on your palm. I'm gonna slap you. Wow. I'm mad.
Uranus is 25,362 kilometers, aka 15,759 miles. That's 400 times the size of Earth. That's huge!
Next one up, younglings, is Neptune. Nijas, he's hungry, so he's getting like dinner, I think. Anyways, Neptune is 24,622 kilometers, aka 15,299 miles. Anyways, Neptune is 388% the size of Earth. And finally, everyone, the final planet that we have is Pluto. Some people call it a dwarf planet. It is only a sixth the size of Earth. So small. I think I can step over it in one step. You know what I mean? Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 and was originally considered to be the 9th planet from the Sun. But in 2006, it was then reclassified as a dwarf planet. Planets have feelings too, everyone. I hope you've learned something.
It takes about 1 month to orbit around the Earth. During its orbit, the moon appears to change shape because only a part of its surface is lit up by the sunlight. The different shapes are known as moon phases and repeats every 28 days.
Theo, you're back. I know. See, you can come up there.
Yeah, research helped me, but I still don't have my.
So you're floating. Anyways, I just learned about where the moon goes every 28 days and the shape.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Anyways, what's next on our journey? We got guys.
Guys,
Where does Nathan always go?
maybe he's learning again. The difference between a lunar and solar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes between the moon and the sun, and the Earth's shadow hides the moon or a part of it. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, blocking all or a part of the sun.
So that's the difference between a solar and lunar eclipse. Now, 100% for the science video project thingy, right? Wait, Rio, why are you so short?
I just got sucked by a black hole and
You lost all your links.
I'll get it back in 1 hour.
Wait, since we're in space, can we create an eclipse? Spirit!